Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got my empties for the month of May and here's my basket of trash right here. It's not that much this month, not that much. But let's go ahead and get to it. I've got a couple of cleansers here and one of them is by Cerave, the Hydrating Facial Cleanser. My husband uses this one in the shower and he loves this one. This is one of his favorite cleansers. I did get a repurchase. I did repurchase it, but when I looked out of the bag, it was I believe it was the foaming facial cleanser. So he's gonna have to use that one until it's gone. But I think anything by Cerave with the cleansers, I think it'd be all right. But this is a really nice cleanser, especially for him to use in the shower. Another cleanser, and this one's my cleanser. This is by Avene. It's in French, and I believe it's the milk cleanser. And how I use this one, I know everyone has their own different way of using products, and with this milk cleanser, you use this one on a dry face, on a dry skin. You don't wet it down. I go to a hot yoga class and I'm a sweater. I mean, I'm a sweater. I sweat a lot, so when I get home, I will get a pump of this on a dry face, because you use this with no water. Wash my face, then I'll rinse it off, put a mud mask on my face, relax, and then hop into the shower and get cleaned off. And that's how I use this cleanser right here. I know everyone does it their own way, and this is how I do mine with the milk cleanser. And this is a beautiful cleanser. It doesn't foam up. It smells very nice, very clean. And I did get a backup of this, but in a smaller size, because I have a lot of cleansers. I get a lot of cleansers in beauty boxes, special edition boxes. So I do have a lot of cleansers, but this is one of the ones that I do repurchase because I like the milk cleanser of it. But yes, I did get a backup of this one, but in a smaller size. Finished a big bottle here of the Rose Water by Badesqu. Love this. This is the 8-ounce bottle, and I believe it costs $12 or $14. The 4-ounce, that one costs $7. You can't go wrong with this rose water. You know, after the shower, I will spritz my face just to kind of give it some moisture back to get it ready for serums and moisturizers. Or I can even set my makeup with this. Or, you know, just during the middle of the day, if I'm feeling kind of hot, I could just use this and cool me off. And the smell is very nice and it feels very nice. So you know I have backups of this, and I believe hopefully in the Nordstrom anniversary sale they should have another set that they sell. So I'll be getting more backups because I love this. I keep one in my bathroom. I keep a little one in my car, especially in this Texas heat, just kind of cool me off a little bit. But I do love it and I have backups of it. I have a couple of essences here for you guys. Let me start with this expensive one here by La Mer. It has special memories for me because my mom loved La Mer. So I do love it. I do like what it does to my skin. And this one is the treatment lotion. This is my second bottle of it. I will not be repurchasing it for a while because I have other essences that I want to go through. But this one is a nice one. Whenever I put it on my skin, it does have that signature La Mer product that's in there, the marine. I think I should know it by now with how much La Mer products I have, but it has the signature ingredient in there. But this one lasted me like a year, so it will last you a long time, even though the price tag is a little bit higher. But I do like this. You know, it really preps my skin for serums and moisturizers, and I just feel like, to me, that is an important step for my skincare routine. And finding the right product, the right essence, the right toner that works for your skin is very important. And this is one of them. But that being said, I will not be repurchasing this one for a while. Maybe I'll give it another year or so because I have other essences that I want to try and see if I like even better with a smaller price tag. But so far, this one, I love it, but I'm going to hold off buying it. The other essence I've had for over a year, it's by Primary Raw, the Soymilk Renewal Essence. I found this one in Sephora last year, but they don't sell this one anymore. And I did like this because it has that creamy, milky, liquid, good stuff in here. And it really does feel good on my skin. And if I could find this somewhere else, I will get this one again soon. I know the La Mer one, it will probably be next year, but this is the one I'd like to repurchase again soon because of that soy milk, what it does to your skin. I have this body scrub by Mauli, M-A-U-L-I. It's the Himalayan hand and body scrub. This one has a beautiful scent and a beautiful scrub. This one is on the pricier side, but it smells so good. And the scrub, the oils that are in here, is the type that when you put it on your skin and you rinse it off, you find beads of water on your skin. So it makes your skin feels very moisturized. And I kind of miss that in a body scrub. Nowadays, it's more like sugar or creamy. I miss the oily type of body scrub. And this one did give it to me, and I did buy a backup of it many months ago because I found it on sale because this is pricey. But I do love how this makes my skin, especially my arms and my legs, how it feels. It just has that added moisture to it, which I really do love, and I love seeing the water bead on my skin. So yeah, this is a really nice body scrub, and I do have a backup of this. Another shower product here, it's Molton Brown Shower Gel. My husband has been using this one. Look at the scent. It's the Recharge Black Pepper. Very good spicy scent, really good on him. And, you know, we've got several more of this size, the sample size, and he's just loving using this body shower gel. Another shower product that we use, this is a new one. I already finished the old one, so I kind of put the new one in its place because the soap is gone. But this is by Santa Maria Novella in Florence, Italy, and the soap just, it's not the type of soap that gets all goopy and chunky and sticks to the soap dish. This is really nice, and I use this to shave my legs. Yes, I do use soap to shave my legs. And this is in the flavor Gardenia, and it smells so good. I believe the last one I just finished was Rose. So this one will last me for several months, and it's Gardenia, and this is a really nice soap. Okay, is that all the shower? Oh, another product that I use for the shower, this is the Tata Harper, the Regenerating Cleanser. This is a very nice exfoliating, gentle cleanser, and I use this one in the shower, you know, to kind of give my face that clean feeling whenever I'm in the shower. Even though I do put a mud mask on my face before I hop into the shower, this one just kind of cleans it up for me. I really do like this one. I've got other scrubs that I have in the shower, so I kind of alternate between them. And I do have a backup of this. I believe I got it in an advent calendar several months ago. Wow, 6 months ago. So I do have a backup of it. And it just makes your face feel very clean. And it is very gentle to use daily. And I really do like it, like the scent, like what it does to my skin. And love the brand Tata Harper. I mean, yeah. All right, have a sleeping mask. It's by Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow. This one I've had for over a year. I've been noticing that when I open this, it kind of smells bad. It doesn't have that good watermelon candy smell. And, you know, I'm almost finished with it. So I thought, yeah, I'm not going to try to put this product on my face anymore. And I would like to get this one again, but probably in a smaller jar because I like how it feels. You know, after I put my serums and my nighttime moisturizers on my face, I'll let it sit, then I'll put this product on, and it feels very nice, has a great slip, and it smells so good. Love that watermelon candy smell. And whenever I wake up in the morning and rinse my face off, it just feels nice and smooth. I just love this mask, but I think I'm going to get it in a smaller size because I think it gets rancid a little bit. Finished the product here by Nia24. It's the Rapid Exfoliating Serum. It has 5% pro-niacin. Love what niacinamide does to my skin. And I use this one at night to give me that exfoliation while I sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, again, my skin just looks and feels very nice, very clean. And I believe I do have a backup of this. If I don't, I will be buying another backup. Yes, this is a great product. This is my second bottle of this product, and it's really nice. Love what niacinamide does to my skin. I do have the moisturizer that goes with this too, and I put this first and then the moisturizer and then a sleeping mask, and maybe I might put some other stuff on my face. Who knows how I'm feeling, but this is a really nice product. If you love niacinamide, this is really nice. Two products here that were in my Beauty Fix subscription box but at separate times. One of them I just couldn't finish it up. I just didn't care for it. Let me make sure the brand is called VMV Hypoallergenics. I believe that's the brand. Hydra Balance Smart Moisturizer for combination skin. Didn't see any difference with using this. There's just probably this much left. I'm not going to finish it, so I will not be buying this product. The other one, this is a night cream. It's by Monu Skin, the Night Renewal Complex. Didn't see any difference using this product either, so won't be repurchasing this. Won't be buying this. Another product that I won't be repurchasing, it's the Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Kiss Lip Balm, Lip Butter. Didn't feel anything with this. Actually, I felt like I had to keep putting it on my lips to feel something. And then it feels kind of oily on my lips. So I didn't care for it. I finished it as much as I could. You know, I went all the way down to the bottom. But yeah, didn't finish it. I like the one by Fresh, the lip treatment, a lot better than this. So I won't be repurchasing this. Couple of masks. This one I got in a subscription box. This one I like. It's by Ren. It's the Glycolic Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. Wow. When I use this one in the morning, my skin just looks very clean. My pores shrunk. So I did buy a backup of this one just I guess last week. So yeah, this is a really nice exfoliating mask. Really nice with the glycolic and lactic acid in here. Very nice. I like this one. This one did really well with my skin. Another mask. This is a sample size that I have, and I love this mask. It's by Herbivore, the Blue Tansy. I got it probably in one of the little Sephora favorites, and I kind of like this size jar, so I'm going to keep this jar. And whenever I travel, I like to, you know, take some masks with me if I don't have any of the packet ones. I'll just put a little bit in here and just take this with me. A couple of samples of moisturizers that I've been trying, and one of them I did buy in the Sephora haul. This is by Fresh, the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. Wow, this one is another nice one. I know I've got some nice products in this one. I've also got some duds in it too, but this one is a nice one. It has a really nice creamy texture, and when I put it on my face, it just feels very nice and my skin looks very nice. It plays well with makeup, which is great, and it smells very nice. And I have the mask, the Lotus Preserve Mask, that really is nice to my skin too. It kind of brightens it up, kind of wakes it up a little bit. But this is a nice cream, and I did buy not the full size, but the one in between this size and the full size. This one's by Pay, I believe, P-A-I. The writing's so small. It's the Back to Life Hydration Serum. Didn't have enough to see if I liked it or not, see any difference, so I probably will not be getting a full size of this. But if I had a bigger sample size, maybe I can see how this works on my skin. But for now, no. Another sample by 111 Skin. Love the brand. Love the brand. Some of their skincare products is really nice, but this one, it's the night cream. Not the best for me. I didn't feel or see any difference when I used this, not like the Glow Recipe one. So I won't be buying this one. Alright, I have a sample of the Cleansing Balm by Collen Rothschild. This is the cult favorite cleansing balm. I love this one, but I have another cleansing balm that I'm going through right now. I started using the Elemis one. I've got the Eve Loam and the Emma Hardy. This one is kind of on the back burner for now, but it's really nice. It smells very nice. It cleans my makeup off, and it does come with a cloth, which I really do like. And I did like it came in a travel size. This was really nice to travel with, but I finished it, and probably later when I'm going low on my cleansing balms, I would like to get this one again. But for now, this one's gonna be on hold. All right, got some makeup products here. Oh, first I've got a tinkle. This is to shave the hairs off my face, and it's great for exfoliation. Got packets of this. You can find this off of Amazon real cheap. Yes, I do shave my face, and I think it's great to shave that peach fuzz, you know, for moisturizers to lay on your skin, for foundation to lay on your skin, a lot nicer. So yeah, found these at Amazon, and I have packets of this. All right, couple of eyebrow pencils. The Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade number 4. Love this. Have backups of this one. And this is the ABH one, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I had this one and I thought, oh, let me just finish it. And let me look at the shade. I believe it's Ebony. No, this is Chocolate. This is Chocolate. It's a nice one, but I kind of like the Precisely My Brow, the Benefit one better than this one. Who knows, maybe I might change it and go back to Anastasia Beverly Hills. But for now, I have backups of this one. I'm using this one. A liquid eyeliner by Smashbox. This one was okay. It wasn't the best. I like the one by Mellow Cosmetics or the Tom Ford for a high-end version of it. But this one was okay. It wasn't the best, but it's starting to dry off, so I won't be repurchasing this one. All right, last, got my paper products here. I've got a couple exfoliating pads. The Kane & Austin, the Miracle Pad with 30% glycolic acid. This is really nice, and I think I'm gonna buy the full size of this one. I think 30 days, 30 pads in it, but this is really nice. 30% is a lot of glycolic acid, but my skin reacted very nicely to it. It wasn't too harsh for my skin. So yeah, I will be getting this one. The other exfoliating pad that I did get, and I do love, this is the Power Spot Pad by M61. The 1 Minute Step Daily Spot Clarifying Pad. This one has salicylic acid, tea tree, and witch hazel and aloe. And this is really nice if you have acne prone skin like I do. When you feel that there's some coming, you can kind of just give your face a little wipe with this, and it kind of helps clean it out. And of course, the ones here by Dr. Dennis Gross, got finished a couple of these, and I think I got another box somewhere. Yeah, this one just is never ending. All right, another product here for zits, I guess you could say. It's by Skin Iceland, the Blemish Dots. I'm going to try to show you. I hope you can see like the outline of the size of these blemish dots. So when you feel a zit coming on, you just peel one of these off. It's clear, and put it on the zit, go to sleep, wake up, and it's kind of gone down. And I really do like this. Let me look here. It does have willow bark and salicylic acid, just like the M61 pad. Willow bark and salicylic acid are great if you have acne prone skin, just to kind of clean it out. So this is really nice. I'd like to get more of this. It shouldn't be right that you're getting acne still at my age of 51. I mean, but anywho, here is a face wipe. I got a sample of this. I believe this was in a Beauty Fix box by Ursa Major. No biggie. You know, it's a makeup wipe. The one I really do like and have backups of is this one by Cerave. This is a really nice drugstore brand. And I use this to wipe off swatches on my fingers or on my hand, and also, you know, to wipe off any fallout from shadows, and to kind of clean this area to give me a sharp line. This one's really nice. I have backups of this, and these are big sheets, so I kind of tear them in half so they can go a little bit further. But yeah, have backups of this. And last but not least, my sheet mask. These are the ones that I finished. This beautiful one by Tata, the Dewy Skin Mask. Love this. I used this one for before my daughter's wedding. Love this beautiful cotton mask too. Wow, and it just feels so good on my skin, and it gave my skin that nice glow for the wedding. Really nice. This one was also a nice one. The Sephora Golden Mask. Finally was able to use this one. And it's quite nice. I didn't see it anymore on the when I went to Sephora. I'll check on the website to see if I can find it. But I have a silver one I haven't tried yet, so hopefully it'll be the same thing, or the same feeling, I guess you could say. And then these two by Dr. Jart, the brightening and the firming solution. Love these masks. Whenever I put it on, I kind of feel that tightening, especially in this area right here in my chin. That's where I have a lot of texture. And I have backups of this. I bought them during the Sephora sale. But anywho, those are the products that I finished in the month of May. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. You all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.